Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to use your phone as remote for your Skyworth TV. This is going to work out for both your Skyworth Android TV and your Skyworth Google TV, just like this one. And it can be very convenient if you misplaced your Skyworth TV remote control, or you just want to be able to comfortably control your Skyworth TV with your phone easily. So whether you have an Android phone or an iPhone, what you want to do first and foremost is to head over to the Google Play Store or iOS App Store, and then come over to the search icon at the top, then proceed to enter inside of the search input field, then search for the Google Home app, and then make sure you download and install this Google Home app into your iPhone or your Android phone. Once the Google Home app is installed, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here, then proceed to set up the app for your Skyworth TV. So you just want to give it all of the permission it requires, and then follow all of the on-screen instructions as well. So click on next from over here, click on allow. Now you will also be required to sign into your Google account. If you do not have your Google account signed in already, preferably you should sign into the same Google account that is used for your Skyworth Google TV or your Skyworth Android TV. Mine is over here. I'll just go ahead and select my Gmail, then click on sign in. Also turn on your Bluetooth if required, just like so, and then give it all of the permission it requires as well. And finally, the Google Home app is now successfully set up. Now what you want to do is to proceed to the devices tab, which is basically this icon over here. Go ahead and tap on that, and you should be able to find all of the devices that are currently connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network as your phone. So at this point, you want to make sure that your Skyworth TV is actually connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network as your phone. If you currently do not have your remote control to connect your Skyworth TV to the same Wi-Fi as your phone, a very brilliant option is for you to get a wired keyboard. Now with a wired keyboard, you can connect the USB cable of the keyboard to any of the USB ports on your Skyworth TV, and then use the navigation buttons at the bottom of your keyboard to navigate through your Skyworth TV, and this will work perfectly well. So mine is currently connected to one of the USB ports on my Skyworth TV, and I can just navigate through the TV using these navigation buttons over here on my keyboard. And if I get to settings, I can click on enter to select that particular option, then get to the internet and network settings over here, select that with the enter button, and then also make sure that I am actually connected to any of my Wi-Fi or hotspot network. Now once it is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your phone, all you just have to do now is to come back to the devices tab, and you should now be able to find the name of your Skyworth TV. This is actually the name of my Skyworth TV. I named it my JBL. You can go ahead and select it from over here, and you should be able to find the open remote option. If you do not find the open remote option, just make sure that you sign into the same Google account that is signed in on your Skyworth Google TV or your Skyworth Android TV. Go ahead and tap on that. And now you also have to make sure you enter this code into your phone. I just entered mine. Click on the pair button over here, and just like so, you now have a remote control, basically a virtual remote control on your phone, which you can now use to navigate through your Skyworth TV. And as you can see, this actually works pretty well without the physical remote control. That is how to use your phone as remote for your Skyworth TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.